Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my dear students. Students of class 12 commerce. We are meeting after 15 days around gap. We had a break. Now we are starting again today. Students, we have planned everything of the reopening of the school. But I think due to some unavoidable circumstances, government has postponed the reopening of the school. So now we are again starting the online lectures for all the students. Students, one advice that I would like to give you. Students' future is uncertain. I also know, you also know. But whatever we are watching right now, I mean to say board exam point of view, I think we should be mentally ready, because you people are in touch with social media, news and everything. So we are already getting the hint from CBSE that the board exam will never be cancelled, as well as chances of delay of the board exam for a long time also not there. So mentally you should be ready, and again I told you, I requested you, kindly please focus on self-study as well as on online lectures, and try to get some kind of guidance from those people who already have this kind of knowledge, commerce knowledge, 12th standard knowledge. Today in the commerce 12th standard business study, I'll continue. Students, we are watching the chapter called marketing, second part of BS, and in BS second part, Chapter 1 marketing is very important, not only for board exam point of view but for practical exam point of view also, because students, whatever project that you people are going to make, project is compulsory, as you know. The project is based on this chapter. So this chapter is not only important for board exam, it is important for practical exam also. Now students, what I would like to suggest you, we have already done few important topic of this chapter. The last topic was marketing management, marketing mix. In that 4 P's we have seen product, price, place and promotion. Students, I think whenever the school will reopen, I'll discuss, I told you many times that I will revise these things, but better you focus on these chapters right now also, because who knows, maybe that future is uncertain. So you may need this type of online lectures for board exam preparation. Now students, product, price and place and promotion, marketing mix we have already discussed. So today I am going to take the new topic of this chapter. The topic of the chapter is brand. Brand is the topic. Now students, this word I think you are familiar. The word brand, you are familiar. You may use this brand, that brand when you go to purchase certain type of product, electronic product, clothes are there, I mean to say mobile will be there, television will be there, AC will be there, or even car you may purchase, or even you may purchase the motorcycle. Any product you purchase from the market, you will just think about the brand first. Which company you would like to purchase. Mobile, if you want to purchase, you may think about Samsung, you may think about MI, you may think about Redmi, you may think about Realme, you may think about Oppo, you may think about Apple. Many companies are there. So these names you take comes in your mind when you go to purchase the mobile. So same like TV also, Onida is there, Samsung is there, LG is there, Godrej in refrigerator you use this Godrej is also there. So I mean to say students, these words came, these things came in your mind. So that is a brand. Now brand means what? Now brand is not that the particular company's name you are talking about. Whatever word I just told you, I just discussed with you, they are generic name. Generic name means like that, example, only TV. If you are using the word only TV, that is a generic name. Now, what do you mean by generic name? Now, generic name means, students, example, this is a duster. I use the word this is a duster. Duster is a generic name. But students, when you use the word a particular company, like example, only TV, if you are using the word, then it's a generic name. Only camera, if you are using the word, that is generic name. Only mobile, only means the word is that mobile you are using, generic name. Okay? But when you add a particular company, particular brand name to that one, that is a brand. Students, generic names are important, no doubt about that. But the problem is that with the generic name, the particular product may not be differ from other competitors' product. I use the word camera. I am going to purchase camera. But now in camera, hundreds of companies are there. So if I just use the word company camera, it cannot be differ from company X, Y and Z. I am going to purchase the mobile, or a shopkeeper says mobiles are available. But in mobile also thousands or hundreds of companies are there. So we have to differentiate the company, our own company, so that we can say that our company's product is more qualitative, more giving benefits and all that. So just to differ our product with the other products, we use the brand. Now brand can be having name also, I mean to say particular company name also, and brand can be the particular person also. Students, Pepsi and Coke, both are cold drink. Just cold drink is a generic name. But when you add the word Pepsi, when you add the word Coke, that is called the brand name. So students, brand name means what? The name which is used, which is added to the generic name of the product. I use here the name added to the generic name of product is a brand. Now students, now in even country like India also, people are more quality conscious. They believe more in quality now compared to earlier days. Now what I mean to suggest you is that when you go to purchase the shoes, or you can say sleepers, or you can say that any kind of particular product, like example shoes, we take the name Reebok, we take the name Nike, we take the name Bata. So this Bata, this Reebok, these are the brands. If I say only shoes, that is a generic name. But in shoes also different companies are there, different types of products are available. So just to differentiate my product with other companies' product or competitors' product, I use this, add this word, that is a brand. Now students, brand is a kind of the word which is added to the product, which identify the particular company, recognize the particular company. And one more thing is that if your product is unique to other company's product, then other company will not take the advantage from your product. I mean to say, if you only use the word camera, other camera companies which may not have the same quality which your product is having, still they will get the benefit, because only camera word in camera, thousands of companies are there. So just to differentiate your product from other companies' product, the brand name has been used. Now brand name is example I give you students, cold drink. Now students, cold drink only is a generic name, only, main name. But in cold drink also, as I already discussed, if I say Coke, Coca-Cola, or you can use the word Pepsi. So these two are the brand names. These two are the brand names. So students, brand means what? If only cold drink, it will not differentiate the Pepsi and Coke. But when you use the word Pepsi and Coke, the brand name is that. Now students, one more thing is there, when the company is having a huge structure, even they give the sub brand names also. Like if I say Coca-Cola is there, in Coca-Cola you can say Thumbs Up is there. Thumbs Up is there. So in Coca-Cola also sub-brand is there, Thumbs Up. Okay. Whereas in Pepsi also I think 7-Up is there. So students, sub-brands are also there of the main brands when the company is having the huge structure. So students, first of all you need to copy this. What is the meaning of the brand? What is the meaning of the brand? The name added to the generic name of the product is a brand. It is known as the brand. And this is the example. If the cold drink is a generic name, it is a generic name, then the brand will be example Coke is there, Pepsi is there. And if the company is having the giant structure, big structure, then sub brand is also there, like Pepsi is there, 7-Up is there for the Pepsi. Thumbs Up, sorry, here for Coke Thumbs Up is there, and for Pepsi the 7-Up is there. Okay, so copy this right now, then we'll discuss further. Now students, advantages. Advantages. What is the advantages of the brand? ब्रांड के फायदे क्या है, एडवांटेज क्या है? Now students, advantages of the brand, first of all, differ the product. Differ the product का मतलब होता है आपका प्रोडक्ट दूसरी कंपनी से अलग होता है अगर आप ब्रांड नेम यूज करते हैं. जैसे मैंने बोला ओनली कोल्ड ड्रिंक से तो पता नहीं चलेगा, लेकिन पेप्सी या कोक से पता चलेगा. ओनली मोबाइल से पता नहीं चलेगा, लेकिन अगर आप यूज करते हैं सैमसंग, सोनी एरिक्सन, ओप्पो में भी देयर, रेडमी में भी देयर, रियलमी में भी देयर, एप्पल में भी देयर, तो इससे आपको आइडिया आएगा. तो आपको क्वालिटी और क्वांटिटी दोनों में आप डिफर कर सकते हैं. सो ब्रांड नेम का सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट है डिफर द प्रोडक्ट. सेकंडली, इजी टू रिकॉग्नाइज द प्रोडक्ट. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, इजी टू रिकॉग्नाइज का मतलब होता है कि कस्टमर को आपका प्रोडक्ट पहचानना इजी हो जाता है व्हेन यू गिव द नेम. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर कोई मोबाइल पे नेम ही नहीं है और कस्टमर को प्रोडक्ट पहचानना है, दे वांट टू रिकॉग्नाइज द प्रोडक्ट, नॉट पॉसिबल. बट when you just give the name to your product, then it is very easy for the customer just to recognize their product also. So easy to recognize their product. Then increase the reputation or image of the company. Now what is the meaning of increase the reputation? इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Students, when you take the name Bata, B-A-T-A, Bata, or you can take the name Tata, T-A-T-A. When you take the name, other company's name, like if you want to purchase, like Levi's is there. If you are going for Samsung, is a very good name in the market right now. LG is a brilliant name in the market right now. Godrej is also a reputed name in the market right now. So when these names are added to the product, it shows the reputation of the company. It also directly one kind of advertisement of the company. Suppose example I am giving you, this is the product in which the particular name is mentioned, and when people are purchasing this product, it's an advertisement of the company directly, indirectly also. So when you use the brand name, then it increases the reputation of the company also. Now one more thing is that student, आप सोचिए अगर ब्रांड नेम यूज होता है तो क्या होता है? People will be more attracted. People will be more attracted. Now what is the meaning of this? What is the real meaning of this? People will be more attracted. I mean to say, students, for example, a famous personalities like sportsmen are there, actors are there, cricketers are there. and famous personalities, those who are very famous in our country, in nearby area, if they are being used in the country for a particular product, then I think it creates a different types of image in the mind of the people. Then people will definitely try to purchase that product because a particular brand is there, particular person is advertising that product. Students, brand name can be of two types. One brand is a brand ambassador, that is a person, and one brand is a name. Example, students, I'll give you. I gave you example also last time that Coca-Cola and Pepsi, no doubt, it's a brand name, very reputed, but still just to promote that company, people use many famous personalities just to increase the reputation of that brand name. So what I mean to say that brand name also increase the reputation. Not only that, but brand name also brings new customer from the market. So students, these are a few small areas that we have to discuss. I think students, this is a very common and general topic, so you can easily understand that. So my humble request to the students, whatever I discussed today in today's lecture, same thing you copy in your notebook also, please. And this chapter and this particular topic, when school will reopen, we'll definitely discuss that. Thank you very much for today and have a very good day. Thanks a lot.